there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. Today I have another amazing software. This one is called AdvertAi and is from Venkatesh Kumar and his partner Maximilian. And this one in a nutshell is the world's first app fully powered by Google latest AI technology Adanet and TensorFlow that creates and sells unlimited AI ads. By this I mean ads creatives and videos to your clients with commercial rights, and of course this will give you the opportunity to make as much as $1,000 per day, and you don't need any particular skill, no technical knowledge is required, and no monthly fees is necessary for this one. Now it is a huge one which is going to actually help you craft your ads by AI and of course push them out there so that your ads can rank not only on Google and all the other search engines, but you can always pop up with all these social media as ads, and this is going to be done under one dashboard with this very AdvertAi from Venkatesh Kumar and his partners. Now that's exactly what you have. If you stick with me, I will show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you, which will definitely be of immense benefit to you because they are loaded with training courses and software that are going to help you begin to find traction making money online. And now I will also show you exactly the dashboard area and play you the video of this product in action. Definitely, my name is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to this channel and use the bell icon for notifications. I do these reviews every other day to bring up products that are going to help you make money online, and today AdvertAi happens to be one of them. Okay, so with that said, let us go through the sales page and see what you have here as benefits. With this very application, you can create stunning visuals, ad copies and creatives, and of course ad copies in seconds with single keyword which you are going to put in the software area of the dashboard area, and you'll be able to create such ad copies in seconds. And with this you can create high quality ad copies, ad creatives and videos for your campaigns, visual enhancement. You can transform low quality images to professional looking ads, customization of your choices, and with this you can select the mood and style of your ads, expertly designed advertising campaigns which are also constantly monitored and fine-tuned by AI for maximum performance. And you have cost reduction through this AI-powered optimization and performance monitoring. You have very much cost-effective and cost reduction with this, and you have fire your copyright and ad agency services, unlimited usage without any restriction, beginner-friendly and easy-to-use interface, and you have the ability to start making money by just charging your clients, and it has 30-day money-back guarantee, and you have a free commercial license added to this one. And at any time you decide to buy this one, you will find this very link when you arrive at the sales page by clicking the first link below in my description area. It will bring you here. You click this link, it will take you to the My Warrior Plus account where you are going to buy this product, and these are some of the testimonials you can read at your convenience. And you can also be acquainted with the fact that you have 3 basic steps to this one. You log in through the dashboard, which is going to be exactly this one, and then from here you can definitely put in the next step, which is going to be how you actually watch the magic performed by the AI by converting such a keyword to ad copies and ad videos and anything you want as long as ads are concerned. And then step 3, you start ranking in profits. You can make money by selling these awesome AI content pieces, ad images and videos and marketing materials. And that's where the money actually comes from, because with this you can provide service and solve problems for others, and that's exactly what drives in the sales that you're going to use to make money. So it's a crazy one, and I believe you are going to have access to this eventually if you make up your mind. Because of the money you spend doing Facebook ads, all the other ads, why not use the AI to actually do it and make it simple, because it's going to be done in a very short time and it's going to be pushed out there, and you have all the information you need, which you can also sell to others and be able to make money from this very product. Imagine if you have the reseller rights. If you buy that upgrade, you'll be able to have all the information and do all the things you need to do, as long as making and selling this product is concerned for your own self, and be able to maximize your own profit. Okay, and you have all the information here. When you arrive here on the sales page, you'll be able to go through quietly and see all the things you are going to be able to avoid, and all the reduction of costs that you're going to endure with this one, and nothing is better than this. Okay, so I believe I recommend this to you if you are interested in using ads to make money online, probably using it to promote your affiliate links for products that you know that are valuable, which you have used, that you can trust and recommend to others. This may be the product you need to do all of that. Okay, so I will leave the decision to you, and this will give you access to all the information about the products you are going to have to dish away from your own monthly commitments. Look at this one, 1,299 a year. Dalia 2 is 789 a year. You have OpenAI 389 a year. You have Stability AI 320 a year. You have ChatGPT 240 a year, and Leonardo.ai at 399. So with this very product, you can always avoid all those costs and be able to market this to others and put it out there as service that you can render to others. So that's why I like this very one. But we are going to leave the review of the sales page to you. When you arrive here, you'll be able to make up your mind if this is going to definitely be for you. But for now, what we are going to do is to take a look at the video of this product in action, so that you see how it works and how you are directed to put it into practice when eventually you buy this one. And with that, I will come back to you with the pricing, and then of course show you the bonuses that I have for you. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. Now let us take a look at the very pricing for this one. The front end goes for $17, which gives you access to this very dashboard, which is where the software is put in action. And you have also the OTO number one, which is the unlimited version. It goes for $32. You have OTO number 2, agency, goes for $37. You have OTO number 3, the done for you setup, goes for $197. With this very upgrade, everything is set up for you by the team of this launch, and you don't have to leave a finger, and you just make money online. And you have OTO number 4, the AI profits, goes for $37. You have OTO number 5, the infinite traffic, goes for $47. OTO number 6, $27, Fortune 500. And you have also the reseller as OTO number 7 for $67. And with that said, let us see the amazing bonuses that I have for you. Latitude is number 1 bonus, which is a beginner-friendly training course on how you can make money using NFTs on blockchain exchange with digital ads. You have also the bonus number 2, TweetX, which is how to crack the Twitter traffic and siphon traffic to your offer or your link. This is a Chrome extension actually, which is the application you have here as TweetX by Jono Armstrong, my mentor. And you have also the Insurgency, which is a beginner-friendly training course A to Z on how you can master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing, which complements with AdvertAi as a product that I'm promoting today. You have also the Lazy Traffic Sniper bonus number 4, which is how to access free buyer traffic using a mechanism and application that's going to do so for you. And it was created by my mentor Jono, Betty, and Subhan. And you have also bonus number 5, which is how to create 4-figure daily commissions with JavaScript Commission Bot, which is a bot application that is going to be installed in your computer, which is going to drive traffic from different sources to your link or offer of your choice, including your website or blogs. You have also number 6, which is the lockdown formula, a beginner-friendly training course on how you can start online from afresh and scale your business, making money online. Okay, as soon as you do that, you'll be able to have access to lockdown formula. Now, this one is the commission toolbox, which has over 1,000 links that are going to give you different capabilities, perform different tasks for you online, which includes image background remover, video editor, image editor, and link shorteners. Name it, you have it there. Over 1,000 links that are going to give you such capabilities. And at any time you decide to buy this product, like I said before, if you click that first link below in my description area, it's going to bring you to the very sales page, which is exactly this. And when you come to the sales page, you'll find a lot of links that are going to give you access to this product. If you click this one, it will take you to my World Plus account where you buy this product. After your purchase, under your purchase history, you'll find a page that looks like this, which gives you access to 2 buttons. This green one gives you access to AdvertAi, and this blue one will give you access to these amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, which will help you a lot because there are products that are still selling online as we speak. And with that said, we are definitely going to come towards the end of this review. I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And definitely I'll be back to you in my next. Till then, I remain your Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, guys, from here, it's goodbye.